In this video, I will show you how to add links in Hostinger website builder. Adding a link to this navigation menu is simple. All you need to do is to go to Pages and Navigation. Then click on this little icon, Add Link. Give your link a name, for example, newsletter. You can link to a page, a web address, a section of a page. You can also link to an email address. So in this case, after clicking this link, Gmail, for example, will open up. Or link to a phone number in order if they click from a smartphone, their phone call will open up. Or link to a file download to automatically download a file. We will link to a web address. Start your link with HTTPS google.com, for example. You can select between opening in a new tab, make the link no follow or follow for SEO, or hide your link from the navigation. Click on save. As you can see, my new link is added to the navigation menu. Don't forget to click on save, then preview your site. As you can see, a new link or a new newsletter link is added to my navigation menu. Back to the editor. Now to add a link to a text on your page, it's simple. Let's say, for example, I want to link this best hiking trail to a page, for example. All you need to do is to select the text first, then click on this link icon. Select between a page, address, section, or different types of links. In this case, I will go to a page, for example. Select the page from this list, for example, best hiking jacket, and hit save. Let's preview these changes. And as you can see, my link is added successfully to this part of the text, best hiking trail. Let's click on it. Now back to the editor. Now let's see how to add a link to a button element. This is a button element. All you need to do is to click on the button first, then edit button. Go to link to, select if you want to link to a page, to a web address. Let's say a web address, then fill in your web address. This time I will link it to, for example, facebook.com. Just close this window and update your website. First save, then update your website. Or instead of updating, I will preview it. Let's click on this button. As you can see, I was sent to facebook.com. Now back to the editor. Let's see how to add a link to an image. Let's first add an image. Where is it? Image. This is my image. Click on it first, then click on edit image. Go to the action tab. On click, you select open link. Now select your type of link, for example, a web address. Same thing. This time I will link to Ben's Experience, bensexperience.com. Close this window and hit preview. Let's scroll down. This is my image and let's click on it. As you can see, I was trying to go to Ben's Experience, but I make a mistake of typing just 2 W's instead of 3. That was all for how to add a link to in Hostinger website builder. Thank you for watching.